What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Burbank. Hitting up some stores I haven't hit up in a while. Let's go. Alright, the spot opened up pretty early. I think they just opened up like 15 minutes ago, 9 a.m. Let's go. This place does open up before the mall does. I have found some pretty dope stuff here in the past. Let's go. Let's go. Starting with the active top section. 49ers apparel. This is just team apparel, NFL team apparel. Like not the highest end, not the nicest material, but $10. 49er shirt for $10. It is official tissue, so you know, not bad. Do got a New Balance jacket, pretty interesting. Never seen that before. $25, pretty thin though. Oklahoma Sooners t-shirt going for $6. Top of the world brand. Some low budget Milwaukee Bucks baseball jersey. Normally 40, supposedly down to 17. It's not too shabby, I guess. One of these Phoenix ones as well, $17. It's that U brand that we've been seeing here and there. Lakers hoodie in the large section. This is just team apparel, so not super high end. But the price, $17, not too bad. Yeah, not for me though. Alright, no steals. Alright, no crazy finds in the apparel section. Look at the sneakers though. Look at how packed everything is. Holy cow. We're gonna find something. Starting to see Gill Zeros? Really? That's interesting because look, Adidas, they only have a one size difference between men and women's. But look at this. Oh my goodness, if they had my size, I would so grab these. These are fire, dude. Size 9.5 in men's. I don't know exactly what colorway this is, but got a bunch of flags right there and got that metal on the tongue, that metal emblem, which is pretty fire. Not the biggest fan of this colorway, but for $35, I'd grab it. But yeah, not my size. Donovan Mitchell's. These are the 4s, right? $35 for these. These are all the smaller sizes, starting at 7.5. This is a size 10 though. What the hell? Why y'all making me look bad, Burlington? $70 for those. Of course, Jamal Mashburn's, and I'm sure we'll see plenty of Grant Hills too. $20 for these. Plenty of Trey Youngs as well. These go for what? $40. And Vans? See plenty of Vans. Skate Lows being on clearance now. $24. Another colorway of the Grant Hills. This is a bigger size. Got some great materials, some suede. Don't know about the colorway. $35. All white Trey Youngs. If you need some all white shoes, size 9 right here. Trey Young 2s. What these going for? What these going for? No clue what they're going for. Got some Converse right here. Some Chuck All Stars. What these going for? $37, all white. Some bigger sizes right here. What size is this? This looks too big. What size is that? Yeah, size 12. That is fire to see those. $35. Also got some Pegasus, 37s or something. Yeah, going for $50. Brooks Levitate's going for $50. All kinds of the Racer Flyknits. Top 10s right here. Patent leather green. Green patent leather. What these going for? $40 for these. Got some smaller Metcons right here. Which Metcons are these? I don't know which Metcons they are. They look like the 7s or 8s. $40 for these. These are size 5. Do got some Dame 7s. Go for $35 in a smaller size. These look worn. Candace Parker's in a bigger size, $35. Dame 8s in a huge size, size 13. Going for $35. I'm not into those. I don't know. Got these Grant Hills. These look so freaking fire, dude. These are size 7 right here. The suede is just phenomenal. Huge fan of that color, especially if you're a Knicks fan. That is fire. Got more Van Skate Highs going for $30. Another one right there, different, significantly different upper. Then got another one of these. Is this my size? Oh, this is size 12. Okay, those are fire. Another Knicks colorway right there. And then Hardens. They've had so many different kinds or different colorways of Hardens. These are size 16. These are freaking huge. Dolphins kind of colorway. And then T-Max. We've been finding a lot of these. These are 9.5. These look a lot bigger. What's the price of these? He's going for $30. Then some Zoom Freak 3s. These are the 3s, right? Going for $50. Way too high. All right, checking the women's section real quick because I gotta go to work, and we're gonna head out to a few more spots right after work. 8.5 going for $60. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. The Fila Disruptor. I don't remember what these are called. I think this is Fila's best-selling shoe. $27 for those. Got some fake Yeezys right here. I don't know how they just sell these like that. Like, well, I guess Yeezy's not around, so they can't sue them. Adidas don't give you F, so I guess nobody's trying to sue them. $13 for some fake foam runners. Got Ultra Boost right here in the women's section. $45. These are what, 2021s? Yeah, 2021s. $45, not bad. I still like them at Ross because they're $25. We got these bad boys right here. These are men's, dude. Yeah, these are freaking men's. 12 men's. Forums right here, but it is in the women's section. All right, this is one of the bigger sneaker selections. I'm gonna be honest. The women's section starts right there, size 6, and it just keeps going. I'll show you guys how big it is. Definitely worth a stop. Some of you guys have mentioned this spot. I haven't been here in a while. Like a lot of what I do kind of depends on where I have to go and stuff. There just aren't that many shops here, but I happen to be out here for work, so yeah, man. Look, I'll show you guys the rest of the store. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it. Like, it goes really, really long as well, each of the aisles. So yeah, definitely worth this up. All right, I did go to work for a few hours and then came back to the Burbank town center. I've never seen this mall this packed. Holy cow. Holy cow. Good for you guys, finally getting some business. Maybe I just haven't been here at the right times. I don't know. All right, I did hit up. All right, we did find some dope stuff at that Burlington. Gonna hit up the shoe house in a minute. There's a Ross right across the street. Let's go. All right, do see more of these jerseys right here. Horn Carolina jerseys. Got home and away. Go for $30. $39.99. That is medium. Those are $40. That is medium size for both of them. North Face jacket right here. Go for $70. Normally $1.50. I don't really buy too much North Face stuff. Moving over to the large New Balance running jacket. I don't know what the hell this is right here. Look at that. Is that a return? Is that what it is? I don't see a price tag on it though. Yeah, someone was like, yeah, I don't feel like doing my job. I'm just gonna put the tag on it. What the Yeah, that's random. I've never seen that before. All right, price unknown. Nike hoodie in the large section. Normally $85 down to $25 right here. Little accents of red on it. In the small section, Kyler Murray jersey. $1.30 down to $40. All right, not much in the short section. Not seeing much. Moving on to the sneaker section. Do have quite a lot of things here. Do they have anything quality wise though? Starting off with some Vans. We're in this 9 section, but these are size 12. A Thrasher collab. Vans Thrasher collab. Those are some old schools right there. The old school, those go for $35. Infinity Run Flyknits, man, they're jacking up the prices on all the Nikes. $65 for those. All this stuff I feel like I've seen cheaper at the Nike outlets. $50 for these. Converse going for $40. More of these Solutions go for $35. Burlington Ross specials. We got the Stackhouse right here going for $25. So we got Hoka's. Challenger ATRs go for $80. Vans right below that. Some skate highs go for $37. Right below that, Uggs. Been seeing those over $30 for that. Under Armour hovers, kind of like a Be True colorway. Looks like $47 for those. Interesting looking Vans. Going for 60. Oh, going for 35. Are these the Phantoms? These are the Phantoms. Same as that other one. 47 for those. I know these are pretty premium. Now that Under Armour going for 40. Then, of course, wouldn't be a Ross trip without some Jordan 1 in a size 18 plus. I don't even know the size, but that thing's huge. And in the slide section, you got Crocs. Go for 25. Just like less desirable colorways. They're all huge sizes too, size 12 plus. Yeah, just colorways that kids aren't really gonna want. But that's also why they end up here, right? That's why they end up here. That is a size, what, 10 men's, I think? I don't know. That's different from that right there. I did move on to the women's section. Got Clifton 8s in a colorway I've never seen before. $80 for those bad boys. Some supersize me Crocs over here, going for 25. Some platform ones. What you looking at, fools? What you looking at, man? In the size 10 in the women's, just not finding anything worth showing. All right, time to go to the mall. Let's go. Got Shoe Palace out here at the Burbank Mall. Let's go. Jordan releases. No matter what colorway of the fours just always sell out, huh? We are going back to retros being on sale. White infrared Jordan 7s go for 140. So what did these come up for? 190? So what, $50 off? These been on sale for what, 160 for quite some time. Afro Beats Jordan 7s, chambray ones right here. Got another pair on sale. These have gone down even more, $100 now, which is pretty freaking fire, man. Jordan 12s, 4 Bravo 6s, got the 3s, got ones right here. Can't believe they still have these. What the hell? Okay, the Skyline Jordan 1s. Two trays go for $100. 6 rings also go for $100. But get retros. Get retros. You can find it for $100, bro. Look at that. And this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Ultra Boost go for $90. $90 freaking dollars. $100 off. That's insane. That's insane. That's what's up. These are going for $90 as well. Don't even have a sales tag. Oh, it probably broke off. But $90 freaking dollars for Army Green right here. And then $110 for these bad boys. I'm looking to see if they have any questions or anything like that on sale. Damn, dude, they got Nike. They got Jordan Brand. They got Adidas. They have Converse over there. Damn, no love for Reebok. No room for Reebok here. What the hell? Even Puma, even Converse got their own sections. Oh, wait, they got this lonely little section right here. 1, 2, 3, like, what, 2 rows of Reeboks? That's it? Man, they're making us work. They're making us work. Yep, $50. $50. These were 60. Now they're down to 50. Gotten even cheaper. This looks like my size. Oh, that's a size 9. Damn, I'm gonna hold off on this. There's no sales tag on it. I think this will be here if I need it. Super cheap. Trying to get more Iversons, and this is like perfect because it's on sale. But I've just bought way too much stuff last couple months. I keep saying that, but I just keep buying too much crap, dude. I don't know what to tell you guys. 650s also going on sale. These are pretty much the mid-top or high-top version of the 550s. Wait, how did I miss these Visionaires? Size 13, but these have been sold everywhere for so long. How the hell did I miss that? That's crazy. If you guys just need some blazers or something, you know what I'm saying? $80. Got all kinds of sales going on. These are down to $60 right here. Holy cow. And then are these some of the trainers? What? $40? Air Cross trainers going for $40? Are you serious? Wow. That is hella cheap. Just dropped the hell out of my phone just now. I'm so glad I have an OtterBox. $130 for Air Max 95s right here. $80 for Huaraches. Air Max 270s. I think these have been on sale for quite some time here now. And then some pretty fire Air Max 95s right here. $110 for these. Pretty decent colorway, University Blue. Ross prices. Look at that. $60 for these. And then look. Isn't this the one we just saw over there? Isn't that the one marked 110? And these are marked 130. Flight 95, aka Jason Kidd's on sale. As well as the Penny 2s. These are normally like $2. These came out hella high too. Zoom Freak 4s. Also got the LeBron Palmers right here. Got some older, what is these? The LeBron 19 lows, and then these right here. Look at this. Look at this. Kyrie's back on sale, or maybe they always were. I haven't visited this location in a while. Prices have been hella up and down on those. Good to see them pretty low. The Nicest Kicks has a collab. I was not aware of that. These are awful. These are awful, dude. Not a fan of these. Nice Kicks they're all right. Nice Kicks is owned by Shoe House, by the way, too. Those guys I didn't know. I don't visit there much often because, yeah, there's no point, dude. There's no point. They have a decent selection of stuff sometimes, but their raffles and stuff, like, no point in entering them. So I just don't go there that often. But yeah, these go for $50. They're already on sale. I've never even seen these, and they're already on sale. $50, really? Holy cow! Damn, the Burbank Mall. They even have a kiosk now. I've never seen one of those. Look at this. This is a bustling mall. Look at this. I swear to God, I've never seen that. Is that because of round one? Did round one bring a bunch of people here? I don't know. Just spent, I think, what, a Jordan 1 mid? Jordan 1 mid at Costco. All this junk right here. Kiddo eating some pizza. You got to get a pizza, right? It's only $2. Pretty much free. Ice cream, pretty much free. But look at this. I did grab one of these. And look at how full it is. I was just talking to my kid. Like, I've never seen anything full like this. There's usually a bunch of air, usually a bunch of negative space. That is crazy. That's crazy. I know it's like $8 something. That's a lot. That's a lot of nuts. A lot of nuts, man. Yeah, that's just peanuts. I did get the mixed nuts too. I got the unsalted. I'm trying to be a little healthier. I know I was eating donuts just last week, but yeah, I'm trying to get healthy now.